So my name is Giuseppe Tomasello. I'm the founder and CEO of Edugo.Ai, and we build AI technology to learn languages faster. The problem we are solving is the low personalization of traditional approaches for language learning. For example, professionals that want to learn Chinese have completely different objectives. In my case, I wanted to learn Chinese to pitch my company to Chinese investors. But the content that I ended up studying with traditional approaches, such as textbooks and apps, was completely standardized. For this reason, I got frustrated many times, and I actually give up many times. Till I built Edugo.Ai, solving this problem by creating a new learning methodology, which works in 3 steps.
Edugo.Ai created the first language video lesson powered by AI. The first step is to have an AI-powered video call in the platform.
你好，尼古拉。
你好，王老师。
帮助学校实现数字化。
帮助学校实现数字化。
OK， 实现。
Here, the teacher can use tools specific for teaching languages. The step 2, like magic, our AI system will generate automatically notes for the student, containing lesson statistics and the key language content generated during the class. The third step is AI-powered exercises.
帮助学校实现数字化。
帮助学校实现数字化。
Here, the student can continue to practice all the personalized content generated during the class.
We sell our technology to language schools using a SaaS business model. In the past few months, we've been growing quickly because of the COVID-19 crisis. Many schools did not have a specific solution for online language learning. Therefore, they decided to adopt ours. Even now that the brick-and-mortar schools are back to normal, many students still prefer to attend our online lessons because they can get a lot of useful AI-powered content after the class. We are currently beta testing our platform for learning English and Spanish, and we are adding quickly other languages. Our next step is to build an AI conversational agent that is able to perform personalized language lessons.
But what is currently your company focus, and why is it relevant to our discussion?
Sure. At Edugo.Ai, we're building the world's most advanced AI teacher for language learning. We call it AI-AT, or Artificial Intelligence Augmented Teacher. We are collecting high-quality data that allow us to constantly automate skills that are typically performed by human teachers. We believe that this way to achieve our mission of delivering personalized language education for the 2 billion second language learners in the world.
I do have a question for you. Who are your competitors, and what's your competitive advantage, and why do you think it cannot be easily copied by other competitors?
Well, right now, the main problem we're solving is to allow language schools to do remote learning because of the COVID-19 crisis. The main alternative solution adopted by our target customers right now is Zoom. They have the advantage of being easy to use and already widely adopted. So it's really difficult to be copied. Our technology is difficult to be copied because over the years we have been collecting data that allow us to build the tools that today are used to solve the real problem for our users. We already kick off a positive loop that is accelerating the amount of data and the quality of our AI platform. In this way, we are able to create the best solution in the world for Mandarin language schools. Zoom is our main competitor at the moment. Today, Zoom is used to handle all video conferencing, like the one we are doing right now. But a simple horizontal platform is not the best solution to solve specific use cases, like conferences, concerts, and language learning. So we are building the specific technology to dominate the vertical of online language learning, thanks to the use of artificial intelligence.
Another question. If you could partner with one person on this panel, who would be and why?
I'll take a crack at that question. I don't know where he went, but I would partner with Edugo.Ai for a few reasons. First, I know this handsome young man, Giuseppe, very well. I know he's driven, he's brilliant. Besides that, his technology could help myself and our team members improve our Chinese, which will make it easier to do business here in China. When you have a foreigner speaking Chinese here in China, a lot of opportunities tend to present themselves. And now if you can just imagine a foreign Modus team member walking into a Chinese factory, speaking with the engineering department in Chinese, I'm sure a few hard hats might explode, but of course in a good way.
What is your unfair advantage to you guys?
Yeah, I would say that the fact that we initially specialize in learning the learning Chinese niche, we have a deep understanding and connection with students. So now that we built an innovative solution for learning Chinese Mandarin, we can replicate the same model for other languages and scale to other verticals.
Thank you.